It's all up in your whip, bro.
That's not my car. I just borrowed it.
This is his whip right here. So I told him, how does this not hurt? This will hurt my heart. And what do you say?
It's all about the feeling.
All right, my guy.
All right. Appreciate you, bro.
All right, man.
Yeah, he took me to Chinese.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy RD. Hope you guys are doing good. Man, I had a pretty long day. As you can see, my hair was wet, man. But when the pool with some homies and shit like that, I'm pretty beat. But we're gonna head to this like car event or like a car meet or something like that, and y'all gonna come with. Let's go and check out some builds. Chill. Yeah, let's go. All right, so we're here, and it's kind of like a little event, I think. I mean, it's like a grand opening for like this restaurant, BB's or something. But yeah, I was supposed to bring my whip, but it's under construction right now. For those that don't know what I got, you guys will see what I have in the next few videos and whatnot, or whatever. So stay tuned for that one. But we here, and we're gonna see what builds they got going on here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I think is pretty cool, I guess, or all right. So yeah, cheese. See that freaking that grasshopper or whatever?
What?
It's like a grasshopper there. Damn shit, bright as fuck.
Oh, yeah, he took me to Chinese.
Yeah, we've been trying to get your sweater back to you. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
We haven't.
Sweater
I'm so
freaking.
sorry. Look, I've been wearing it for the past month. Okay. I'm wearing it. She's like, is that my sweater? Oh, oh shit.
I like the first one that pulled up because it has like, I'm not sure what it's called with the body kit, but
Yeah, so this is cold. Man, this is like.
See the starlight too?
Yeah, sure. Look at that.
Wow, so they painted like this.
So this is straight paint from BMWs?
Yeah.
Damn.
It almost looks like a wrap.
That's what they say. Oh yeah. That's all.
It's so mint, bro. Yeah, this is my favorite one here, bro. It's my my favorite build here, bro. Yeah.
reliable build.
What bags you got on here?
Airlift.
Airlift?
Airlift. What is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
That's fire, bro. Anything else you've done to it?
It just has a tune, like in tiny. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah. How much you pushing?
Oh no. No idea.
No, but it's beautiful, man. So I told him, how does this not hurt? This will hurt my heart. And what do you say?
It's all about the feeling.
It's all about the fitment, boy. Yes, sir. That's no pool or nothing, dude. This is straight up just factory, bro. And that's a 11, you said?
11.
11, bro. That's crazy. Damn, man. Everyone's all up in your whip, bro.
That's not my car. I just borrowed it.
This is his whip right here, my boy. Yes, sir. Good patrol, bro. All right, my guy.
All right, appreciate you, bro.
All right, man. This is what I'm talking about right here. Damn.
They stay out.
That's crazy, dude. Tickled my eardrums, bro. I was trying to hold it in. I was like, ugh. This shit was getting... Oh, man. Hey, check this out, though.
A little excessive.
Cops are ready to come in.
I know.
They're like sharks.
All right, now I can't hear.
Yeah. Better
eardrums.
Good night.
All right, so we're heading out. It's getting kind of rowdy in there now, and we got cops.
Getting ready.
Cops are getting hella ready, so we're gonna get ready to leave as well before they come in and start storming in or whatever.
They're revving a lot.
Hell, you guys hear it? You guys hear it? You guys hear it, right? But yeah, so we're gonna head back. It was actually a pretty good turnout.
Yeah.
Pretty good cars, you know, cool cars and stuff. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys on the next, you know, event or whatever, and you guys will see from there when, you know, my car's ready and whatnot. But yeah, you just stay tuned, and yeah, keep it real at all times. Your boy RD signing out. Chee-hoo!